Hello, Peter checking in again. This is day 18 of the meditation series that we're running on this channel, and day 18 says meditation can create a calmer presence for you. So it's your ability to respond, not react. We tend to react from preconditioning or preconceptions or old emotions or old feelings. Our ability to respond is actually to sit back and see the situation and then respond accordingly. So it's your responsibility in some ways to respond accordingly. Really important aspect for you to really get, because that really helps with the heat, especially heated moments when you're on that heat of the moment and you just want to explode. I think we've all felt that, and it really helps you to have that calm, considered, measured response rather than a reaction, which is like a knee-jerk reaction, which can ruin everything. So meditation really does help with that. If you haven't tried it, there's a 5 meditation and mindfulness webinar that I've created. You click the link underneath the video. It's absolutely free. If you haven't tried them as well, there's Qigong classes on this YouTube channel which you can get notifications for if you just subscribe, and you can even like the video if you like this video. And we're running this now for another, another 11 videos. So if you haven't started, try to start at the beginning. They're very short videos to let you know about meditation and mindfulness and why I want to share my experiences of meditation and mindfulness with you. Anyway, see you in the next video.